Village. And, like, we got some AF1s over here. Like,
Side view.
you know the gang. So apologies for my cringy ass 2013 stop motion intro that everyone did back in the day, but I've always wanted to do it. So here's the shoe at its finest. It's purest. It's just the purest it could be right now. Although it does have like a few scuff marks and all these stirred marks and everything like that. And they were only $10.99. So what would I expect? New AF1s? No. But these are also different models. So I am showcasing the very yellowy soles that they do have, and they are not like the one that every basic bitch has. They have this yellowy sole. At first I thought it was due to discoloration, but I was wrong. And these soles, I tried to rub off the yellow. I was so stupid. So here's me just taking off the laces, since you just have to do that before you clean them, and soak the laces in some other solution. Here is a video of me scrubbing the soles like there's no tomorrow. I'm trying to get the yellowing off, but it's obviously not going to work because it's going to stay there. It's going to be intact because it's part of the design. I would like to mention that I wholeheartedly recommend using the good old toothbrush tactic with the solution of 1 cup of water. By the way, don't actually get out your measuring cups from your cabinet. I see you there. But yeah, I used a cup of water and baking soda. I also add this, and some dish soap. I also use this silver scrub. I don't know what it's called, but my mom got it at Galleria supermarket. It's made of wires, so it could kind of get into all these crevices and places that your fingers just don't want to reach. I also just can't do laundry for shit, so I don't know if you really want to follow this step coming from a spoiled little girl who had her laundry done for her whole life. I searched it up on WikiHow on how to clean white shoes, so you might want to do the same. Next, I'm going ham on these shoelaces that don't even really need cleaning. They were pretty white to begin with, but I just want to scrub all that, maybe possibly foot fungus that might have been on the foot, although that doesn't really make sense since foot fungus is usually on the bottom of the feet. Okay, I'm done.
Live reaction. I just popped these out of the washer, baby, and I dried them.
We be ironing.
Shut up.
Okay.
Iron.
The last cringy clip suggests we do actually be ironing, and that is our next step. So get out your iron, and not exactly your board, just get out a towel that's kind of moist. Oh no, okay, I'm sorry guys. Not moist, I mean just dampened, really. You're going to also want to get out some socks that you may not really care about also, because you're going to stuff them in the toe box so that your shoe may look like on surface crease free. If you wanted some hot ASMR, here is just some of me steaming with this towel. I'll stop talking. Next, we have this very crucial step. So you will need the kiwi, I don't know what it's called, but it whitens your shoes. I got this at Walmart, and it was around $9, and it honestly does whiten. I was kind of very skeptical about this product at first, since I thought, oh well, it just whitens, you know, just like bleach. It whitens in quotations, but it actually does whiten. It's very hard to believe, I know. I would honestly recommend this product because I know, okay, this might sound sponsored, but trust me, it's not. I only have 48 subscribers. Which company would really want to sponsor me? But no, even with just one layer, this coats on perfectly. It was honestly too good to be true. And I can't really say or confirm that you should definitely buy this because it will not wear off or anything, because I did not walk a mile on this. I did not do anything with this paint on yet, but I will give you some updates if you really want a full product review or something, which would definitely be boring and what a 40-year-old dad would do. There. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am ecstatic. I was crying because these look exactly like the AF ones that just come out of the box. But obviously, the AF ones that come out of the box have laces in them. But I was just super happy with the design and the outcome of the shoe. Like, you could leave it at that, but we wanted to go the extra mile and just, make it us. Is an overexposed clip of my sister's Photoshop design, and as you can see, it's super Y2K themed. We wanted to go for like a pink and blue aesthetic and some butterflies, all the trendy shit nowadays. That is the finalized product, and you might be thinking, where is the tutorial? I am sorry, but I kind of lack artistic talent, so my sister painted it, but I did get the products and the specifications, and honestly couldn't trust myself to do a lot of it, and these are my sister's. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I found the AF1s. We just wanted to film this journey, although she didn't film it. I'm sorry, but I'm going to tell you the products. So we used some leather paint, and this was found on Amazon.com, which is made for leather and vinyl. I gave her that idea, by the way, so it's kind of my idea to get leather paint instead of just pure acrylic paint, because I knew acrylic paint was going to actually kind of chip off. But this leather paint was only $4 on Amazon, and it was Prime Day, so there's some good deals and free shipping and everything like that. And she used acrylic paint for the swoosh as well, because she had to paint little clouds with a sponge. So that's what it looks like. It's only on the swoosh, one side of the swoosh, just looking like that, and it's super cute. She also painted the air part of the rubberized sole. As I said, the paint is actually made for leather, so I don't know how long it will last. Maybe it will probably last a long time, but time shall only tell. And she added some little chains that were also from Amazon.com, and these are so simple to put on. Honestly, just like they used to be wallet chains, so they had the little clasps, but you could take those off, and then you just take this shortest part, the end part of the chain and another end, and then we wrapped it around. I don't know why I'm saying we, but she wrapped it around the shoe. And she got some of these charms from her leftover tattoo chokers. So you probably have a few little charms lying around in your, I don't know, your DIY kit, because we know we had a DIY phase back in 2014. Don't even lie to me. But yeah, that's what the shoe looks like. It's honestly super cute for just like the little things that we just did. I don't know why I said we, but she just did, and it was pretty affordable as well. I feel like the project was only in total around like $30 or less. So definitely do customize your AF1s. That's what the whole purpose of the video is for, is to give you guys an idea on what you could do with a thrift store pair of AF1s. Like, I know there's this fear that you might get foot fungus, but trust me, it's worth it in the end if you wash it like several times, you clean it, and then you customize it. So thanks for watching the tutorial, or I don't know if I should call it a tutorial, but yeah, this project of redoing and rejuvenating, restoring these AF1s to its fullest glory and potential. So I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye guys. You don't need to subscribe or anything, whatever. But it would be helpful, and comment down video suggestions.